Hey guys, it's DJ, the CEO of Yes Ma'am Hosting and Maintenance, and today we're going to go over a new tutorial. This tutorial is for all those with a Yes Ma'am Hosting account. You have to have a Yes Ma'am Hosting account for this tutorial. Today we're going to discuss how to create email addresses and forwarding email addresses using your account. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at tutorials@yesmamhosting.net, or you can create a trouble ticket and one of our great people from tech support will get right back with you. Now, if you're ready,